How to add members in bulk. First, go to Member Administration. Select Upload Census File. Select Enrollment from the drop-down menu under Actions, then select the plan type from the drop-down menu under Plan. Select Download Template to extract the template to be used for enrollment. Fill out the required columns in the file. Follow the indicated notes, then save the file. Once saved, go back to the client portal, click Select File, then double-click the file that is saved. Select Upload File. Review all the details in the overview of the batch upload. If all is okay, select Proceed.